Funeral car client visiting. Our factory for procurement.
Hubei Songda Special Vehicle Company, a renowned Chinese firm, specializes in manufacturing and supplying high-quality funeral hearses. With a focus on meeting diverse customer needs, they offer a range of options to suit different budgets. If you looking to save on hearse costs, here's some valuable information. Firstly, when it comes to how to save on hearse costs, Hubei Songda provides affordable solutions without compromising on quality. They understand the importance of cost-effectiveness and ensure their customers get the best value for their money. High-end funeral hearse prices can be daunting, but with Hubei Songda, you can find a balance between cost and luxury. Their funeral hearse and driver cost is competitive in the market, offering a comprehensive package that includes professional and experienced drivers. This ensures a seamless experience during the funeral procession. For those seeking custom hearse prices, Hubei Songda offers tailor-made solutions to cater to specific requirements. Whether it's additional features or unique designs, they work closely with customers to provide custom hearses at competitive prices. In conclusion, Hubei Songda Special Vehicle Company is a one-stop solution for all your funeral hearse needs. By focusing on cost-effectiveness, high-quality service, and customizable options, they ensure that customers can save on hearse costs while still respecting the dignity of the deceased.